Okay, good morning. Here is the game plan. 806 is plugged in. We got 2 loads of corn getting shipped out. We got a load of lime coming in for the chickens. We just have some sodium bicarbonate come in for the chickens. We got to get that unloaded. We got to go grease the corn head and look at the chisel plow. It's gonna be a busy day. Let's get to it. How's it going, Todd?
How are you today?
Good.
Take that whole load there, but I just didn't want to press it. The Simpsons, you know, with all blue.
Yeah.
All blue could have taken it.
That's right. I'm gonna get this baby started up. We'll get her set up for, I think the truck's coming in an hour. Probably 20 minutes now, actually. Get closer. That's better. Voila. Good to go. Okay, the wet bin is empty. We emptied it last night. We're just putting everything back around so we can start fresh again today. Okay, very important. Take off the gearbox. Close the slides. There we go. Turn this back on. Everything's set to auto. So this is now good to go for later today. We're waiting for the truck. Okay, so I just greased the chisel plow. I went over it. Gave the 7630 a quick detailed the interior. Truck just showed up, so let's go load that. Owen has got that under control. I'm gonna go get some grease because apparently we're out. Okay, we're back. Now, apparently, the grease factory has burnt down. I was unaware of this. So, get to use this Mystic grease. So, I've used John Deere grease on here as long as I can remember, and it's the ST polyurethane or poly grease, which super happy with. It has nothing to do with it, the fact it's John Deere. It's just the fact that we like the grease, the texture of it. So this doesn't feel too bad. We're gonna find out, but there's really nothing I can do about it. This is what we got. All right, up next, we're gonna start getting stuff set up in the field. We'll get the two 8Rs warming up. There's supposed to be another truck coming right shortly, but if we can get these down, that will definitely help with the... And we're off. Everybody wave at Pete. The only thing about some of those old Magnums, they only do like 18 mile an hour. It's a good tractor, but a little slow. Here we go. So actually I forgot my camera back here, but we got that head greased. We're back here now fully. We got to get this first set loaded. I got to get back because I got to unload it. Or sorry, I got to load a truck and unload wagon. So it'll be still a little bit busy here coming within the next hour. Let's get this first load out of here. And actually, Mike's been waiting at the farm for that truck just in case it comes before I get there. It actually worked well. Just got back. Mike got that truck loaded. Let's get the dryer loaded. Don't worry, he's already warm. Start. Okay. Here we go again. And just like that, we are on our way back to go get another set. Hopefully we will keep this pace going. And then once Mike has finished eggs, I'm hopefully going to go start chisel plowing. But if that doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Oh, it's got to be doing fairly decent. I didn't really have big hopes for this field. It just didn't look good all year. But when I can come back and it's just about full, it's going okay. It's just a nice steady pace. So Wes is going to grab a load from Owen right now. He'll put the last little bit in the buggy and I will shoot right off, and we'll kind of keep that rhythm all day. I like that. Okay, Mike's spelling me off. Let's go work a little turn. I've had a couple people saying, I thought you were no-till. well, we do a lot of no-till practices here on our farm. The issue is it's not always the way. It depends on the conditions of your field, what you need to do. This field here, it was tiled. This is our second crop on this. Yeah, second crop on it, and it's relatively smooth. But you can still feel those little bit of whoops. So try and take those little whoops out of it. That's why we're working it, and that's why I'm just using the chisel plow. Same thing. Why I'm using a chisel plow, not my ripper. I use my ripper because we're trying to get out a hard pan. I use my chisel plow and we're trying to level, or I just want to, let's say, mix the soil. Because what goes on is we are finding that when we do soil tests, the top few inches is fairly fertile and underneath isn't because of the no-till. So if we can kind of flip-flop that soil, that'll help it out. That's why some people plow, but a lot of people use different tillage methods. And just really, it's just what works on your farm for your practice. And to be honest with you, I really just like working dirt, so I try to work a couple hundred a year just to do it. And like I said, I think the farms that I do work need it. That's what's going on there. Yeah, we'll kind of check in later. I'm gonna listen to the radio. I'm just gonna enjoy my day. Finally, the dryer is running. Everything, the combine's running, wagons are running, the buggy's running. So hopefully, and this is just my little bit of moment of peace and quiet. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but I got a neighbor here who has to load on the road. And we just have some impatient people. I just see people trying to drive through the ditch and all kinds of craziness. Look, I understand that it's blocking the road a little bit. Here's another guy trying to go through the ditch. Okay, all you're doing is making it unsafe for the farmer trying to take. He will be 2 minutes unloading into that transport. Just relax. Relax, everybody. Like, what's the hurry? Where do you gotta go? Unless your wife is pregnant and giving birth, just chill. And what it's like, so my neighbor here, he cuts that ditch. So that's why I'm upset, because I know he's gonna be upset, because people are driving through his ditch, rutting it up, and he's got the bounce over. I know sometimes when you look at a ditch that's nicely cut, you're like, ooh, I can drive through that. But don't, because it just makes them angry. They're going to have to bounce over that for the rest of the year, and they're going to have to try to roll that out. Like I said, relax. Well, nothing lasts forever. I was quite enjoying my moment of working dirt, and I get a call. So we're supposed to have a truck load tomorrow, and as he called, he wants to load tonight. So I'm going to meet him about 45 minutes, get a few more rounds done, scoot back to the farm. That'll work out good, because I should check the dryer anyways, and we'll see what goes on after that. And there's my truck there. Good timing. I like it when things work out. So it worked out good. Mike, we can scoot by that auger, but it's not easy. So Mike got here, he's in place, he's unloading. He can use this laneway here to get out of here. Get the 806 out, get this guy set up. I like it when a plan comes together. I had no idea it was going to come together this good, but I like it when it does. Excellent. He's going to back right under there. We'll get him loaded, gone, get this back out of the way. And we won't have to load him tomorrow morning, so that's kind of nice. Tomorrow's Saturday. With this setup in 25 minutes, it's kind of nice. Wet cord going in. Wet bin, close the dryer, close the bin, goes out of the bin, into that auger, into a transport. We got dry corn. The life of a corn kernel. There's a lot of moving. Mike just grabbed his dinner. My mom dropped it all off. He's out of here. And yeah. So those wagons, a little bit 1,200 bushel with 13-inch auger. I can do each wagon. One wagon takes about 4 minutes. 10-inch auger takes a little longer. This truck will hold about 1,800 bushels. So a few more bushels That's kind of the deal, in case you're wondering, for speed-wise, because they both showed up at the same time pretty well. Okay, so I guess I got another load. That's sweet. So that's my limestone I was talking about this morning. Always something. He's moving, we're lowering. We gotta get out of the way for the lime truck. Okay, he's gonna dump that. I'm gonna grab a quick bite to eat. I gotta grab a loader tractor. We gotta get that away because I need this area. And while I got a quick moment while I'm eating, I better, oh, we're spilling everywhere, it doesn't matter. Do a quick test of the dryer, make sure it's running right. By the way, thanks Mom. Chicken wings and onion rings. Good food. This is a typical Friday, just so we're aware. But I like being this busy. So there we are. I guess I didn't show you that. 17.5, subtract 2 points, 15.5. We're pretty close where we want to be. To the next. I want to show you. He's dumping. Time to go now. Oh. Hello, little 6410. Haven't really drove this tractor much lately. At least me personally. Unload, unhook the wagon. And we'll go load some lime. So I also should mention that 2:30 in the morning, oh, my birds went out. They went to their new homes. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. I was really gonna make a nice video about brown birds lay brown eggs. What is going on here? Oh, get back here. That happens all the time. She needs a little silicone. So, I was going to make a nice video about brown birds laying brown eggs and white birds laying white eggs, but that didn't happen. Oh, this guy's looking for me. Anyways, we'll get back to you. We're gonna start putting this lime away. So I guess this is another reason why I don't work a lot of dirt. I never get the time. I never get the time. All right. So for those of you that don't know, we put limestone in the chicken's feed for shell quality. Makes a good shell. One of these days, it's not going to be today or next year because we have to redo a chicken barn, but we really do need to update the feed barn. But it does what we need to do for now. So I'm going to put this away, and then I guess we'll see what's going on afterwards. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm really hoping it's a nice cold Bud Light because I'm ready. Okay, well that is the day. It's a gorgeous night. They're just finished up, we're full. So we're gonna have to go back down there tomorrow and hopefully finish up there, and we'll carry on to the next field. Man, that was Good Friday, so make sure you like, subscribe, have a good one, peace.